Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to be filming an unboxing and first look video of the black leather Marc Jacobs tote bag in the size small, formerly known as the mini size. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and keep watching. I also have another Marc Jacobs bag video on my channel, and it's a what's in my bag. So if you're interested in that, I have that linked here in this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get right into this video. So this bag in particular in this size retails for $395. If you are ordering for your first time on Neiman Marcus, you can get 15% off, as well as cash back if you have Rakuten. So I would definitely recommend using those. But let's go ahead and start taking this apart. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have all the wrapping, of course. I love this bag, guys, and I would say the main reason I got it is because I do have the canvas jacquard tote bag right here. I'll show you guys in the same size. And I just found that I've had it for a little over almost 2 years now, and it just gets a little dirty because obviously the color and stuff like that. So I was like, black leather, this is gonna be perfect. It's not gonna get as dirty. It'll be really easy to clean. So that was basically the main reason I got it, and obviously because of how freaking gorgeous these bags are. So that's the main reason why I did go ahead and purchase this bag, and I do not regret it yet. So when it comes to the inside of the bag, just have more of this. We do have the crossbody strap right here, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. This is what it's looking like so far. And on this bag there is gold hardware, if you were not aware. So it's gold. The leather seems very nice, and of course we love the structure of these bags. It seems very like good quality as well, so that's exciting. Here is the crossbody or shoulder strap, and then on the inside here, I think we have a dust bag. Yeah, we have a dust bag, so that's nice. It did come with a nice dust bag, which is really cool because my the canvas tote I have that I just showed you guys did not come with a dust bag. So I do like that this came with one, and it's pretty big too. So that's nice. This will definitely come in handy for bag storage and all that stuff. You know, I'm gonna take care of our bags. That's super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. And I don't have scissors near me right now, but I do need to go ahead and cut this off. So on the inside of the bag, what are we working with here? We do have the flap here that's in the inside of the bags. I do believe these are on all the sizes except for the size under this, which would be formerly known as the micro, but it's not the mini because this is the small. So yeah, the mini or micro bag does not have this on the inside, unfortunately. And another thing about the micro or mini bag, now known as the mini bag, I hope that's like not too confusing, guys. It does not have this magnet right here that hooks on to the side. Unfortunately, the size below this does not have it, but that's okay. It's a lot smaller. Inside of the bag looks good, and of course we have our card right here that came on the inside of the bag in the inside pocket. It's a care card, and yeah, so, and it says 100% cow leather. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in here. Super nice bag. I love it. It's a great size. This is a really good size for me because I don't carry too many things in my day-to-day bag. I guess the size up from this I would use more for traveling purposes rather than everyday bag purposes. So yeah, and then the size under this, I feel like it would be very suitable for like going out, you know, night out with your friends, your boyfriend, husband, whatever. I feel like that would be really nice because it's so small and you don't really need to carry much. And yeah, that is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap on this bag and show you guys what it looks like on. So first impression, like I said, this bag seems very durable. and it seems like it'd be super easy to clean. The structure is amazing. I do wish that it had feet on the bottom, but luckily it's a black bag and it probably won't get too dirty, so that's a good thing. However, I have been thinking about purchasing the leather bag, but in the size under this one, so the mini, or formerly known as the micro bag, and I want it in the color cotton. It's like this kind of off-white color. I'll insert a picture somewhere here so you guys can see, but I'm just scared about that one because I don't want it to get dirty over time, or like color transfers to happen, and that one obviously also doesn't have feet. So I've been thinking about maybe like putting some on there myself just to like prolong the bag. I really don't want to get dirty because it's so cute. And like, I want these bags to last. Like I said, I had this one for almost 2 years now and it's still in good condition. It's just a little dirty. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that on camera, but it did get a little bit dirty. Like, look at the bottom there. Yeah, hate that. But it did get a little bit dirty after 2 years. I have not washed it yet, so I'm not really sure how. So if you guys have any tips on that, please let me know. And yeah, this is what this looks like after almost 2 years. And I'm sure this one will look even better at that same time because it's black and it's leather and it won't get anywhere near as dirty. But yeah, I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna go ahead and put on this crossbody strap. And of course, on the hardware, it does say Marc Jacobs. So yes, this is what she's looking like with the strap on. And I'm gonna tuck this in here for now. Here's the back of the bag. But yes, this is the bag. She's so lovely. Of course, it's adjustable, so if you want to make it shorter or longer, you'll have no problem doing so. But yes, so you get like your inner arm or a handbag in your strap. So you have multiple ways to wear this bag, which is really nice. And I do actually also have a bag insert that I plan on using for this bag. It is a red insert. This is what it looks like. Super cute, perfect size. Have the bag, Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. The tote bag, Marc Jacobs on the front in this like really nice gray writing, which is like a perfect contrast to the black bag, and I love that so much. But here is my bag insert. So I've used this for my other Marc Jacobs bags, since they are the same size, it works out. I have this in pink as well, which is currently in my other bag. But the black and red just like suit each other really well. I do have stuff in here right now, don't mind that. I just go ahead and slide it right in there. It fits perfectly. It just automatically gives you so much access to like better organization in your bag, and it's just great. Like, if you do plan on getting this bag, I would totally recommend getting a bag organizer. I got mine off of Amazon. I got my pink one and my red one off of Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive and it's definitely worth it. So this is how the inside of it looks. I do have stuff in there, don't mind that, but yeah, as you can see, it fits absolutely perfectly and it's just awesome. Like, I honestly probably wouldn't use this bag without a bag organizer, but when I do get the micro size, the mini size, I probably won't use an organizer because it is so small. I just love her already. I haven't worn this out yet, obviously. You guys just saw me take off all the stuff, but I do plan on it very soon. I'm very excited to. This is definitely going to be like another everyday bag for me, and I'm really excited to use it because it's so cute. And I've been wanting it for a while, so I don't know if you guys remember in my video with my other Marc Jacobs bag, I said that I was really interested in this one and I planned on getting it, and here she is. I finally got it. I fell through with the plans, and now she has a little sister. So I did just rip this off. She's officially mine. There's no going back now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will be filming a what fits inside this bag video. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. It will be coming soon. I do have other bag videos on my channel. So if you're interested in those, they'll be linked here. And I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.